everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Banu, and if you are new, hi, and you are also welcome to day 2 of RAUNAK A Diwali series. So today the video is going to be about a DIYs which I have made for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. DIY, all you have to need is A4 size papers, A4 size color papers. I'm taking 4 of each, 4 orange color papers and 4 yellow color papers, and also 3 green color papers for leaves. So these are the flowers which we are going to make. So divide the A4 size into 3 different sections, which is 7 centimeters each. So first draw lines, so to be precise for the cut. Yeah, cut it into 3 sections. So you will get, for 4 papers you will get 12 total flowers. So then cut them out by I'm using a knife, but you can also use scissor to cut the A4 size paper. So make all the 3 sections equally. I'm cutting it vertically. Take the one paper and just leave 1 centimeter and draw a line. Now fold it, and like I'm showing in the video, and then fold it double and then cut it out and leave the 1 centimeter. For this only we have left the 1 centimeter to not go beyond the line. So when you open this, this will look like this. Take any pencil or pen which is round, like I'm showing in the video, and just wind it around the pencil like I'm showing in the video right now. Is almost ready now. All you have to do is take the scissor now and spread the flower with the help of the scissor on every side like I'm showing in the video right now. Then just take the scissor and do like I'm showing in the video. It will make the swirls or curls to the flower. And that's it, the flower is ready almost. No, almost nahi. Flower ready ho chuka hai. And it is that easy, guys. And the flower is ready. You have to make 12 different flowers like this. And then take a small woolen thread, or you can also use paper for this, and just stick like I'm showing in the video. And let it dry for a 10 minutes or like that, and that's it. I have taken total 24 flowers, and that's it. So let's make the leaves now. For this you have to need is a square shape A4 size paper which is cut into square shape. So the horizontal side of the A4 size is 21, so I'm taking the vertical side to 21 too, and I will draw a line 21 centimeters and just draw a line and cut it out with the carving knife, or you can use any of the blade too. So fold it into a triangle and then again cut it into half like I'm showing in the video, and then just fold like I'm showing in the video, zigzag, once that side and once this side like I'm showing. Make the leaves. So I'm showing you guys clearly, so make sure you watch the video completely, and then stick the two sides like I'm showing in the video. Just fold it first and then stick it with glue. After sticking it, just hold it for a few seconds to make sure the glue is stuck. And that's it. Hold it for a few seconds. And let it dry for a while, or 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and ready. And for this also you have to add the woolen thread or paper, whatever you like, a small piece of paper like I'm showing in the video again. So these are all the flowers and leaves which I have made. So let's take the woolen thread and take 5 flowers, one of alternative each. First yellow I'm taking, then orange, then again yellow, orange, and yellow again. For every after 5 flowers you have to add a leaf. And that's it guys. You have to insert all the flowers and leaves which you have made according to the size of your dough, and that's it. I think it's ready now. So that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video. Hope it is helpful, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon and share with your friends and family. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching guys. Let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive, and be happy.